How's it going, guys? So I did not take a trade today. No, no, no. We had we had some news. Um we had I think it was CPI. Actually, let me make sure here. Yeah, we had core CPI, CPI, unemployment claims. So we had a big news day today. It was at 7:30 this morning, which sometimes does have an effect on the market throughout the day. I don't think it did today, just because we're still doing accordion pattern. That could also just be because nobody else is trading. A lot of people don't trade on retail traders, at least, don't trade on news days. Bro, this freaking camera always. There we go. So let's see here. I think on S&P, is it? Is it the 1 hour? Yeah, so we had 1 hour liquidity right here on the S&P, which wouldn't have been a bad trade to be honest. But I mean, look at the 1 hour candle. That's not good. Um anyways, okay, so we had 1 hour liquidity right here, 1 hour liquidity up there. We went ahead and dumped down. By the way, this is whenever news came out. So that's really not that big of a candle. That's about average. Uh Pause. We came down, swept 1 hour liquidity from pre-market, and had a 1 minute break of structure. I don't think we did a 5 minute. Maybe this was a 5 minute retrace. I don't think we had a 5 minute retrace. So I would not have entered that. But we did have a 1 minute break of structure right here. Or actually, that'd be right here. But if you can tell, it did come up. It came up pretty good. It wouldn't have hit any stop loss, or not stop loss. I would have probably entered right here. Hey, this dog. Um, no take profits is what I'm trying to say. I wouldn't have had to take profit here. I would have probably had it up here at this one, a defined high. I don't really count this just because that's news. Nothing happened there. But it hasn't reached it yet. I guess I still wouldn't be stopped out. You know what? Let's just draw it out. Screw it. Boom. Boom. Guys, little tip. If you're getting wicked out all the time, this is what I started doing. Put your stop loss, if you are going to set like an actual stop loss, put it below like just a hair. I mean, you can kind of tell. If you keep getting barely wicked out and then it goes straight back up or straight back down, just put your stop loss a little below that low. And I mean, you'll lose an extra like $5, $10 maybe, depending on your lot size and the size of your position and all that. But you got a better chance of, if you get wicked out, then it's actually wicking you out and it's going to go down. Because half the time it'll just wick down like this one. Imagine you were in a trade here off of this. Just follow what I'm trying to say here. If you took a trade here, your stop loss was down here, and then this comes down here, and then you get wicked out, and boom, there's your trade. And it was a solid trade. So if you would have brought your stop loss down just a hair under, I mean, that's not just a hair. That's not a really good example, but you guys get what I'm trying to say. That's what I started doing, and a few times I've been almost wicked out. But since I put my stop loss below it, it worked out pretty good. But anyways, if you guys are in a trade right now, I hope I'm guessing you took longs. I know one guy in the Discord, he took a long. I really hope it goes up for him. NASDAQ probably would have been a better entry. Let me check. 5 minute retrace. We're in accordion pattern on NASDAQ. But same thing happened. Swept liquidity. I don't really see a 5 minute retrace. So I probably wouldn't have entered. I would have wanted it to sweep liquidity, go up here, and then retrace back down, and then I would have entered off of the 1 minute break structure if there was one right here. But what is that? If we entered like here and then put it just below, like I'm not even saying like down here, like right here maybe. Yeah, that would have not hit any of the take profits that I would have put. I think just today, since there was, jeez, dude, since there was news, today's gonna be dead. Today is dead. That's what it kind of seems like with news. Okay, I'll just wrap up the video. Since there was news this morning, and it was CPI, that kind of stuff. I just think it's dead just because nobody wants to trade it. Let's see what we got tomorrow. PPI. I don't really trade on PPI days, but I might just because it's at 7:30 again. 7:30 in the morning for me. Market opens at 8:30, so it's an hour before market open. Pretty much is when the news comes out. So you could trade. I may not. I have 4 news. I have 4 news days that I don't trade. Dude, this is gonna piss me the fuck off. Why is it so blurry? Like this thing was like $80 and it's just sucks. I don't really want to trade on CPI, PPI, FOMC, and NFP. NFP is non-farm payroll. So those days I be very careful. I have traded on those before, and it's usually if it's like at 7:30 in the morning, then I can kind of see how market goes. Because okay, so just CPI, I've noticed most days when CPI happens, it just shakes out the market. Everybody's like, yeah, fuck this. I'm not going to trade today. I mean, I don't even think TJR took a trade today. So, I mean, you got, yeah. Anyways, you guys understand what I'm saying. This is going to piss me off if I look at it even more. But good luck today if you're in a trade. Barlux, I pray for you, brother. Good luck.